Nice and straight. Looks good.
And the mat goes there.
Oh, nice. Oh, and I put the Unity cup right over there.
And the Canara goes right here in the middle.
Excellent.
Hello, Michael B. Jordan. What are you, Tamir, Gabrielle, and Elmo doing?
Habarigani, Grover. That's how we greet people on Kwanzaa. That means what's going on.
'Cause tonight is the first night of Kwanzaa.
Oh, Kwanzaa!
Grover knows about Kwanzaa.
Of course I know about... Actually, I do not. What is it?
Well, Kwanzaa is a holiday.
It's a time when we celebrate African American history and culture with our family and friends.
Oh, and what are all the fruits and vegetables for?
Oh, the fruits and vegetables are to celebrate the harvest.
Kwanzaa lasts for 7 days, and each day has a principle.
And since tonight's the first night of Kwanzaa, it's Umoja. It means unity.
Unity means coming together with friends, family, and neighbors.
Say, Grover, do you want to help us out?
Well, I am all about unity. What can I do?
I think we could use some corn for the Kwanzaa table.
Say no more. I will be right back. Okay, here are your horns.
Whoa, okay. Thank you, Grover, but we actually need corn. You know, like the vegetable.
Corn! Oh, yes, of course. I was kind of wondering what you're going to do with all these. I will be right back. Okay, there you go. Oh, this is enough. I got the extra large family size.
Okay, that's a lot of corn. You know what? Maybe we need some more friends to join us.
I think you're right. I mean, I have two friends that can help. My nephews, Lennox and Zabi. Lennox, Zabi, come on in. Come on. Come on, Zabi. Yeah. Say hi to everybody. H is for holiday. And H is also for happy holidays and joyous Kwanzaa to everyone.
Happy holidays!
Happy holidays!
Ooh. And joyous Kwanzaa.